You can see my screen, right?
Yes, sir.
Yes, yes.
Okay, so I request now all of you to open your browser at your end and just click on these 9 dots. There you will find a Google Drive. Is it done?
Yeah, we got Google Drive, but
Yes.
that file which you are sharing, the link.
No, I'm not sharing the file. I'm just telling you how to create that
sheet.
sheet.
Portfolio.
Yes. You can go for new here.
Okay.
And in the new, you will have Google Sheet. You can open a new Google Sheet.
Yes.
Okay, you will find one Excel sheet over there.
Yes, yes.
So I will also open it.
Yeah, it says untitled spreadsheet.
Yes. You can just go ahead and remove something like my portfolio like that.
Wow, super. Portfolio. Rename
Now
the
here in the column A, we can write serial number, name of stock. Then second, you can write the buy price. By quantity, we will put it first. Then buy price. So investment, we will put it over here. I mean the total, how much investment we have made. Okay. Then we will put a date. Then we can put over here is basically current market price. Then after in serial number, we can just put 1. We can write a stock name here. Like for example, Wipro. Quantity, say suppose I buy it just 1 quantity. Now we will see what is a Wipro current price. It is came down actually. It is 394.35. Okay. So 394.35. It's a buy price. Okay. Total investment, we have to put here a formula is equal to, yeah, so intelligent he is. You can see it is automatically the formula has come. Okay, now if I change the quantity, say 2 here, automatically it will change. It is normal Excel. So I assume that I took 5 quantity at 394 rupees. And then the total investment is become 1971. I'll put date here 09/25/2022. Okay. Now here the current price we have to put. We have to see is equal to Google Finance, and the name here, bracket complete. You see, if I put the formula here, Google Finance and the B2 is what basically the cell number where I have put the name. Okay. Now the thing is, from where we will find this correct name, we have to enter into a this cell, because if the name gets wrong, you will not get this price automatically. If you have seen this price, I have get automatically. I have just put a formula Google Finance and B2, this name. So when you go for any Google, you can check it out here. Like for example, Bajaj Auto share price. You can see here Bajaj Auto share price. We have to click over here.
So it's there in the top left next to the overview, NSE Bajaj -Auto.
Yes.
Yes, that's correct.
So this you can just copy and you can put it over here.
Did you go to which website to get that code?
Google. Just Google.
Okay.
Just Google. See, you can get the new price of the Bajaj Auto over here. Okay. So this is current market price. I put a name 2 instead of this right here. So consider stock I have purchased 10. If I purchased it, say 2,500. Okay, total investment at 2,500, I have like say 25,000 made. Okay. Now this has become a current market price. Now we have to apply a stop loss. Like SL I have to put. Say how much percentage stop loss you wanted to take. For example, I wanted to take a 5% stop loss. Okay. So what will be the stop loss value? I wanted to apply a stop loss 5% on my purchase price, right? So is equal to this into stop loss percentage. So 19 rupees is the value. So I'll again change the formula. Okay. So if I have purchased it at 394 rupees, okay. If I apply a 5% stop loss, the value will come 374 rupees. We can reduce the number of digits. Similarly, for Bajaj Auto, if I purchase at 2,500 rupees, the value of stop loss is come 2375. Okay. And then I'll have to put here target. Sorry. Target. Okay. Say for example, I put 10% as a target. Okay. 1:2. So how much it will come is equal to D2 plus into bracket D. So it will come as a 433. And here it will come 2750 on Bajaj Auto. Okay. So what we have to do basically while we are doing the swing trading, whenever you enter into any stock, this much things you have to fill in Excel sheet, that what is the stock name, quantity, buy price, what is total investment will automatically come, date will automatically come, current market price will automatically come. You have to, whenever you enter in any stock, you should be aware of the what is the stop loss you are taking before entering into a stock. That is a rule of trading, and it is must. And also you need to know what is the target value, that how much profit you are going to take and when we have to exit from this stock. That is also very important. You should know the target value. Okay. Now, if we enter these things every day morning, end of the day, what you have to just, I mean, every day morning you have to see, or you have to see the end of the day. Okay, open this sheet and see whether your target is hit or whether your stop loss is hit. Okay, you have to monitor this. Now this is slightly difficult, that whether this number is less than this number or greater than this number. So to make it easy, we will further improve this sheet. What we can do a conditional formatting here. For example, I selected this column, or I can selected this, say bottom, maybe 5-10 rows, whatever. And here we can go data, sorry, not data, format and conditional formatting. So in conditional formatting, what I will apply, if this price, current market price is, 1 second, let me reduce the size of the screen, something very big. Okay, no, let it be. Let's close this format, conditional formatting. Conditional formatting of this. Okay, what is a rule? If these values are greater than or equal to say I2 to I23, then the color of this should get changed to red. Done. Now if you see, sorry, it will not come greater than, it will come, it should come less than. 1 second. Let me recheck the format. So what is our requirement is G value. If it is less than the I value, then the color should be changed. So G value is, we will put just a less than the I value. The color should be red.
But in the less than I2, you put I23, na? That is the problem, I think. I2, I23.
Yeah, I mean that entire
Okay.
entire range I have to select.
Okay.
Okay. 5% loss. Okay, we will apply this for the say
That conditional format can be applied to each and every row, right? So,
yes, each and every row.
okay.
Stop loss is not. Apply range. Okay, for G2, the format rule is less than each red. Yes, this is correct. Okay, done. And same, I have to add same formula again. G2 to G23 greater than or equal to my K2 to K23, then color should be green. Done. Okay. So now what it should happen?
If you change the buy prices, then you can see the percentages difference and you
No,
can.
yeah, wait. I think this has to got reverse. Now what will, what has to happen actually? If the price, for example, I change the value here. Let's try it out. Instead of 394, I have to put it below price over here. I'll just put 390 price. No, it's not getting changed. Greater than. Okay, fine. Let's not explore more time here. I will just go to directly one sheet which I have already created. Maybe something wrong with the formula. Just hold on. So I'll select a sheet of say 5% to 10% portfolio. Yes. You can see here. For example, the value is less than or equal to L1 or L2. Okay. The color has to be default color has to be red. Okay, that is the formula. So accordingly, what will happen? So whenever the price will go below your stop loss, here the 260 is my stop loss, and the price has gone below the stop loss value. So automatically this color has got changed. And once this color got changed, we should exit from the stock. Okay. Similarly, if this price, recent price, go above your target, for example, I have put target 1 and target 2, two targets here. Okay. So 287, I have put a target here. Assume that this stock price goes to 290. See, this color will get automatically changed. So you will understand that you have reached to your target value, and then you have to again exit. So whenever the color of this recent price will get changed, you will come to know that you are either exit with the stop loss or exit with the target. So this way you can set the formula and you can maintain the portfolio without going into your trading account. Only you have to go while exiting, or you have to enter, then only you have to go into your trading account. This way it is very easy to maintain many number of different portfolios. Otherwise, if you do not use this kind of sheets, it is very difficult to maintain the different portfolios. For example, I can show you here. See, I have this many portfolios. For here, this is a Jarvis and Alphanity or G-Turn, whatever stocks I have taken from them. This is the portfolio for that. This is one separate portfolio I have created, which is my own study. Whatever I do, then take the trades. This is the portfolio is made for 5% stop loss, 10% target. This is again portfolio taken from somebody else. This is again my global portfolio. This is again key investment is yearly investment system. This is again a portfolio for Shri Harsha sir multi-bagger system. So every portfolio has a different stop loss. For example, Shri Harsha sir's multi-bagger system, you can see here the stop loss is quite big. I mean, it is around 50% stop loss. See, here you can see a 50% stop loss is there for the multi-bagger system. Okay. So this, if you have to maintain these different portfolios with different concepts, it is very difficult to write down on the paper or write down on the anywhere, and very hard to exit at the time of entry or target or stop loss. So what I need to do is every day in the morning or the evening, I just have to open these sheets and see wherever the color has changed. This color has changed. Accordingly, I have to exit. If the color is green, I know that my target is achieved. If the color is red, I know my target is, stop loss is hit. So this way you can maintain your portfolio very easily, and many different portfolios you can be able to maintain. Even you can maintain, for example, here you can see this is my wife portfolio. So here also how much quantity is entered, what is the buy price, what is investment. So even you can, if you wanted to know what is the total investment in your particular portfolio, you can go and add this investment value and you will get the number at the bottom of the sheet. Okay. See, for example, here you can see here this number is, you can get easily when you add this investment total. Otherwise we are also do not know that where we have invested, how much quantity and what stocks and everything, and it goes haywire when you do not maintain these things. So you see here now this stop loss has got hit, so I need to exit from these stocks. Okay, this is very easily, and even though in case in future when I do not available, anybody can go and open this sheet, because this sheet is created in her account and it is shared with me. Okay, this way, and here further I can write it down that what concept we have taken this stock, which broker account this stock is there, then what is the target and what is the target 2. So this is how I maintain the entire sheet for maintaining the portfolio.
So, Milind sir, can you go to that day return, 1 day return plus some minus? Can you just share the formula?
Yes.
How they are? Okay.
So you can see the 1 day return formula.
Vocal.
Sorry, this is a net profit or net stop loss. 1 day return is here.
They have a different options changing.
Yes.
Okay.
We can go and find the Google Sheet formulas also. I mean, Satya sir, for sure you must be knowing.
1 day means yesterday, today, that variation.
Yeah.
That helps for exiting without stock entering into our demat, right? When we trade within a day.
Sorry.
Actually, Google can take the closing price of a previous day and compare it, I think.
Yes, it is around 20 minutes late, whatever prices. But anyhow, we are not doing intraday, so 20 minutes late should not be a problem.
Even if you're doing buy today, sell tomorrow, right? That also will not come to your demat, right?
No, that will not come to demat.
No, Ramesh, he's not taking from your demat holding, right? You are entering the data, like purchased and what the amount. So
right.
It hit your portfolio or not, it doesn't matter, but it will Excel sheet or this
correct.
sheet will show you.
Yeah.
See here, they have given different whatever the information you can get from Google Finance. They have given here the codes for that. For example, you can get the price, you can get the price open, what is a high, what is a low, what is volume, okay, trade time, date delay. So even you can get the fundamental concept like price and earning ratio, earning per share ratio, that also you can get it from here. Then you can get a 52-week high, 52-week low, beta. This whatever concept they have given here, you can use it in the Google formula sheet. Here you can see the return 1. So 1 week total return 4 week. This is also you can get.
This is very nice.
These all formulas, you can use it into your sheet and get the information. Now I will show you a different example. For example, even if you have to study the stocks for fundamentally, let me show you one more thing. See, sector analysis, I have created a folder here. For example, I have entered different sectors, stocks like chemical sector, consumer durable sectors, IT sectors, oil and gas, pharma, finance sectors. So this I have put it over here. So whenever I have to take any long-term stock, okay, we can go and see here what are the fundamentals for that. Okay, wait, I think this finance is go to IT. Just hold a minute because this is a big sheet, so it's taking time to refresh. So normally when we take a long-term stock, we see the market capital should be above 500 crores. We see the PE ratio should be good.
So I think look like you filtered with A. Filter was there on the G column. G or I think
B column.
that's why you are not seeing all the data. You can remove the filters, then I think you can see all the data, I think. Or sort or what?
This is only for IT sheet. Actually, it is taking time because it's a big sheet. No?
Oh, okay.
It's taking time.
Yeah, many stocks, right? Yeah.
Yeah, it's around 500 stocks are there. Okay, anyway, so whatever formula is there, I shown you here, like earning per share, debt to equity ratio, those formula I have put it into these sheets. And like, for example, when you have to check it out, you can just go and see which is, again, I have put the formatting there for numbers, like debt to equity ratio is how much is there, then it will color will show green. Then I can go and see the graph of that sheet. Let me close the other sheet so that it will help to. Some issue with the speed, I think.
Sir, this IT Nifty 500 analysis, this was you prepared or readily available on Google
No,
Sheets?
it is prepared by me.
Oh, okay. It's a huge task, sir. Then
Yes. But it is one-time activity.
One-time activity.
Once you entered the stock numbers over there, then it will be easy to do it for long term, because normally these 500 stocks do not get changed. And that's why this file is so big and taking time for opening.
Right.
So here you can see the market cap. I'm sorry, it is still not working correctly. It's not moving. But you can see on the top here, the formula I have applied for the market cap, and you can see the market cap of that particular stock over here. And similarly, you can apply a formula for earning per share, debt to equity. Okay. Definitely all terms are not available, like we see the pledging percentage and all. those all concepts are not available, but whatever concept are available, we can easily go and use the color formation there and take out. Otherwise, going to all those 500 stock is very difficult.
Yeah.
So we can just filter out whatever condition you required. Accordingly, you can go to your trading account and see that graph. Okay, so that is what I wanted to tell. And one more thing, how many of you are using Zerodha?
I am
That's
using,
me.
sir. I am using Zerodha. Let's
Yes,
go.
sir.
Okay, okay, great. Now I wanted to tell that whatever target or whatever stop loss price we have put it into our this sheet, we can also put it into a Zerodha account, and the trade can take automatically there without our presence. Okay. If you are not aware of this, I can tell you in the short.
Yes, sir. I'm
I
not
mean,
aware.
is it okay, or you are aware of
Yes.
that?
Please
already?
go. Please
No,
go
I'm
ahead,
not
sir.
aware.
Okay, okay. So for example, these are the stocks are there. Okay. What we can do, we can just go on any of the stocks. For example, Berger Paint I have selected here, and we can create GTT. GTT is good till trigger. So I created GTT. For example, I have to see how much price I have taken this. It's 791. Maybe for Berger Pen GTT must be there. Yes, Berger Pen, you can see the GTT is already applied here. For example, I can edit this one. Okay. So when I have to exit this, okay, GTT you can put it on the both side. I mean, for stop loss also you can put it, and even also target also you can put it. That I will show you. I go in holdings. Okay. Let me check where I have not applied GTT. And then I think IEX is not there.
I think HBL power is this.
HBL power is not there.
It's there.
Okay. Okay. So for HBL power, I will create a GTT. My average cost is 92 rupees. Okay. So HBL power is also there.
Okay.
Okay. Anyway, it's good actually. Edit. I can show you here. See, here I have applied GTT on the both the side, stop loss side also, and the target price also. Okay. What price I have taken this HBL power? HBL power I have taken is 92 rupees. Okay. So GTT, I'll show you here. So stop loss, I have put it on 77 rupees. Okay. If that stop loss hit, I have to exit entire quantity. Okay. And here the price you have to put 1 rupee lesser than your stop loss price. So that means at the 77 rupees, the order will get placed into your broker account. Okay. And then at 76 rupees, the order will get executed. Similarly, for the target, I don't want it to exit that entire target. If the target, because you see in my Excel sheet, I have put target 1 and target 2. Okay. So if I have hit the target 1, I have to exit half the quantity. Okay. And my target is at 129 rupees. And after 129 rupees, the order will get placed, and 130 rupees order will get executed. And I have to exit only half quantity if the target get hit, because normally when your target get hit, the stock will run further. And then further remaining quantity, I will put once this first target hit, I will put one more GTT for the next second target. And if you have placed these GTT orders, you don't need to be in front of the screen. Even though if you are not logged in, into your account, the orders will get executed without your presence. Okay, this is the benefit. I mean, many of the other brokers also now giving this facility, but this is how you can even maintain your portfolio according to that Excel sheet, whatever you have created over there for the stop loss and target. You can just place those numbers in the GTT order and it will run. Okay, this is how the portfolio can be managed. But normally, if you see here, these three stocks bottom, I have not put stop loss value. Stop loss value I always see in the Excel sheet, because sometimes what happen, if the volatility is more, then the market will go and hit your stop loss value and market will go above again. So normally I do trading at the end of the day, so that whatever the hiccups are there, those will not hit your portfolio. Right? This is what actually I wanted to tell today. Now, okay, it's I think 8:05. If we have any question, we can take the questions. Otherwise, we can end up the session.
Milind sir, Madhu here. It was a good session.
Thank you, sir.
So, like when you play the GTT order, should we do CSDL authentication every day on Zerodha?
Not required.
So it will execute the orders automatically, right? No
Yes.
need to do CSDL authentication. Because in Upstocks, daily morning we'll get a message asking to do CSDL authentication if there are any GTT orders.
No, in Zerodha, I have not observed that.
Okay, okay. So were there any orders triggered without a CSDL authentication, sir?
Sorry.
Were there any orders triggered in your portfolio without any CSDL authentication?
Yes. I don't log in every day now.
Okay. Okay, sir. Thank you.
So Madhu,
Only the
your
thing-
question is if you have to keep it login active. That's what
Sorry,
you are
sir?
saying. Maybe some of the brokers are doing like that.
Sorry,
If
sir. I
your
didn't
question
get it.
is no, authentication means you will log into the browser and keep it active throughout the day.
No, not like that. Once you every day you have to authenticate it to execute the orders in the holdings.
Achha, you have to execute.
Yeah,
Okay.
yeah.
Okay, every day you need to confirm that whether that's active for today.
No need to be active. You have to just log in once and then log out.
Oh.
I think if you have taken authentication for TOTP, that is some term in Zerodha, TOTP. If you have taken that facility for more security, then it will ask for login. I think so.
Yeah, looks like I have done that only.
Yes.
They will ask for authentication every day.
Yes. That will be there.
Thanks for the clarification, sir.
Right. I think.
Thank you, sir. It was a great
gets help
session,
you.
sir.
Yes.
I had one quick question, sir.
Yes, sir.
That is, you are handling so many portfolios, right? Is there any instance where a single stock has been brought under two different strategy, right? So how do you manage that kind of a thing? Like, do you handle it by number of stocks under one strategy, number of stocks under another strategy?
See,
How?
I understand your question. Basically, I have 5 different trading accounts. So whenever I take a trading from the basically concept, I follow some people and their concept I use in my trading account. Okay. So for each concept, I have a different trading account. There is no much charges. I mean, there is no much fees, only 200 rupees, 300 rupees opening charges we have to do. But it is better to maintain for me to have a different trading accounts so that it is, I mean, manageable.
Got it.
Manageable. Yes. So even same stock comes into 2 different portfolios, and it comes normally.
Yeah.
Then those 2 are into 2 different accounts. So that is not a problem for me.
Yeah.
That's that.
Great. Thank you, sir.
Okay, great. If there are no further